Hello, everyone. Hope your Sunday or whatever day it is, wherever you are in the world, is going fabulously. This is my testimony that I get to share. I'm going to kick it off with that. I would say my testimony is definitely for those on-the-go conscious collaborators that are from everything from the biohacker, priority stacking, relationship, ReWires, because we all are trying to restore our natural wellness. That's literally what's brought me here. I'm EmJ Jaeger. I am a Quartz co-founding independent brand partner with LumiVitae and a 22-year expert hacker to harmony across natural wellness and financial prosperity experiences. I am the senior investor in my organization called Seize Solutions for natural wellness and business consulting. I cohabitate primarily in Puerto Vallarta, Mexico. However, I am from the States, previously in Denver, Colorado. Yay to the Coloradans. Love those mountains too. All right. I am really excited to share with you. I'm going to keep this as brief as I can. I'm putting the Lumi timer on. This is really helpful too. So let's see if we can get this going in 3 minutes or less. So I came into or experienced the CellPower vessel because I was having some wicked female symptoms. So the fem cycles were really taking me for the next loop as Peri.menopause was trying to take over my world. And I said, absolutely not, get out. And so I went to my dear friend, or I didn't go to her, she came to me and said, hey, by the way, you got to check this out. And I thought, I don't have time for that. I barely have time to keep my own mind on, let alone the business aspects of my world and everything else trying to keep those afloat. So probably 3 months later, I said, okay, talk to me about this. What's going on? A little bit of research, and she loaned me her base for approximately 11 days so I could test it out as I was coming into one of those fem cycles, the scary monster times. And so, in addition to types of food, timing of the food, consuming it, etc., I was consuming between 6 to 8, 12 to 18, 12 to 18 ounce glasses of water per day. 3 days leading into the cycles and 4 days leading or after. I think that's around there. Yeah, something like that. A total of 11 days though. Mathing right now. And what I noticed was that even though I could still feel the different symptoms, the rage, the frustration, the emotional fluctuations as though I was a teenager again, I could notice them and I could apply my mindfulness practices. So I'm a seasoned practitioner in mindfulness, meditation, yoga, and all kinds of other prioritization within the business space to really move through controversy and conflict and come to compromise in order to get the job done. And so I was really struggling. And when I saw this take place and shift in just 11 days, I thought, what the hell? Wow, I got to know more. So in the next 15 days that I didn't have access to a base, I definitely noticed that my mind started to feel foggier again. I could notice that the emotions and the fluctuation of them were definitely surfacing more. However, I was able to remember and notice oh, wait, there's a different choice here. I need to check in with what did I eat before? What have I eaten after? When, what timing of that related to the organs and how they process different foods. Hint, hint, Chinese medicine is real. And stepping into those parts of the process and the systems in order to stay focused and stay engaged, really put my wellness on a natural path yet again. That just blew my mind. Okay, part 2 next. Again, I'm EmJ Jaeger. I'm excited to be part of this community and looking forward to connecting and investing with all of you as we go forward. Ciao.